everyone. Today is the last day of my 100-day project. I know I missed 2 days, but I made up for them. So I know for a lot of people it ended on June 1st. For me, it will be ending on June 3rd. I am trying out something. I tried it a couple of times before this video and it was kind of hit or miss on if it was working or not. But I want to do a color transfer with some flower petals onto some paper. So I tried it with a hammer and it was almost a little bit too rough, but I'm gonna try one more time. I will probably mute it while I'm hammering because it was quite loud. But I want to see what kind of color comes out of the petals and what kind of design it creates on the paper. And then I also wanted to try it out with a spoon and see if something a little bit gentler will make a difference on how it turns out. So I'm going to save this flower for my spoon, but I'm going to try my hammer on these. And I just have some cardstock. It's nothing fancy, but I'm going to set those aside, and then I'm just going to put this one on top and then just hammer away, and we'll see what kind of color comes out of these petals. Again, I grabbed these from my yard. I have a bunch of these growing and they just bloomed really nicely a couple of days ago, and the purple is just gorgeous. So just have my hammer and we're just gonna see what this looks like. Okay, gonna see, oh, it did. Look at that, it flattened them out. This just looks so much like watercolor to me, and I think just all of, oh wow. Okay, so this by far is one of the best ones that I've done. The few that I did earlier were just not looking great, but this purple that comes out of these leaves and the yellow is just gorgeous. And again, just like every other technique, if you just practice and learn what is going to work and what does not work, you can get some really beautiful designs. Looks just like watercolor. That is beautiful. The yellow and the purple. And you can see where, again, the hammer, it's just a little bit rough and it splatters that color a little bit, but it worked out really well. So I'm going to try one more with a spoon again and just see if I can press a little bit harder and get a nice transfer without getting some of these splatters that you get with the hammer. And even this other side, you could use this for so many things, but the green and the yellow that come out of that along with that purple, just beautiful. So I'm going to set those aside and then try this one more time with a spoon. Okay. Okay, so just taking the back of the spoon and going over my areas. All right, let's see. Oh, I see some color. Let's take a look. That yellow is just amazing. Okay, so a lot of the purple didn't come out. The yellow came out quite a bit more. So I think I would have to just be really rough with it. But again, just you're really just like watercolors, just gorgeous. So I am really happy with all of the things that I've been testing out. I'm so glad I tried this 100-day project. Thank you for sticking with me if you've been watching all of them. I have learned a lot. I've had fun with so many different tools, and I'm thinking about maybe a 30-day project next time instead of 100 days, but I would like to do some floral paintings, and so I was thinking of 30 days of floral. So let me know what you think down in the comments below if you would like to watch another series of videos. But again, just an awesome way to use something from nature and transfer that beautiful color and design. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will probably see you in a week.